In today's video, I will be showing you how to log into your Google Workspace account. So to log into your Google Workspace account, you will need your organization's email and password. Unlike a personal Gmail, a Workspace account is tied to your school, company, or business domain. This means you will be using an email like your name at yourcompany.com instead of a regular at gmail.com. Now start by opening your browser and going to mail.google.com or directly clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen right here, and then just click on Sign In again. From there, you will see the familiar Google sign in page. Enter your Google Workspace email address provided by your administrator, and then click on Next. Like I said, it will show up as at yourcompany.com instead of at gmail.com, and as you can see here, it shows just like that. Now click on Next. And then after that, type in your password and then continue. So from here, just type in any of the password that you have set, and then you're just gonna have to click on enter or just click on next right here. And if your organization has security settings like two-step verification, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your phone or authenticator app. But if you don't have it, just like mine, you can just access your Google Workspace tools right here. So once you have signed in successfully, you will be redirected to this page. You can also access other workspace apps like Google Drive, Docs, Meet, and Calendar using the app menu at the top right corner right here, which is shaped like a box. If you can't log in, just double check your credentials or contact your IT admin, since only they can reset your password or adjust your account access. And that's it. You have now logged into your Google Workspace account and can start using all the productivity tools linked to it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.